Guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 384, technical analysis, crypto, and stocks. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord, links in the description, guys. So it's a link to amazing articles that we cover here on this awesome stream. There's no articles today, though. I mean, there haven't been articles for the last couple months. It was requested by you guys that I just focus on the technicals, so that's what we've been doing. On that note, as you're well aware, I'm finishing setting up the stream. Jake, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here, man. How's your game coming along, bro? And thank y'all for being here on an awesome, what is it, Wednesday night, right? It's an awesome Wednesday night, dude. Wasn't it a good crypto day? I believe it was a good crypto day, man. It was a hell of a crypto day, man. It was such an amazing day today. How do we know? Bitcoin kissed 13,000 and change. Rejected areas that we had. So I'm not worried about that. And, just good stuff happening with crypto, right? That's about it. Now, Jake's saying trying to code level loading currently. All right, cool. Your level is loading. That's awesome, dude. Dude, that's amazing, dude. I wanna test drive that game when it comes out. Hope I get invited to the to a test run of the game. Your whatever we're gonna do, beta testing or whatever. Which is really cool. Anyways, as you'll know, I'm finishing this setup here. That's awesome. Everything else is good. So, there we go. I think we have everything going on here, which is good, right? Great. On that note, I want to move on to the technicals. Why not? There's crypto's doing amazing today. You might not guess it is by the sound of my voice or my level of excitement. I'm still worried about it, but I'm happy with what it's doing. Alright, nothing wrong with that. I'm just cautious, right? What happened with crypto? Bitcoin hit previous all-time highs. Look, I could try to draw a line here. What was this high here? Let's see. The high was 396.53, 394.60, right? So very close to that same area that we rejected before, right? With a line there, you'll see we're almost touching here. We're slightly above there. It could be an area that we're rejecting from before, maybe, right? From back here. So, we found some rejection up there, which is okay. We managed to break below the 100% retrace, right? So that's okay. We're still trying to run today. Again, nothing wrong with that. 3.05, 3.33 higher. So everything's going higher. No bearish divergence. Yesterday we managed to gain 6.14%. That means a lot of money flowing into the cryptosphere. That was $21.98 billion that came in. Today, $2.55 billion are coming in. It's still going up. We're getting a little pullback, but we can still run and get through the 100% again. We'll see. We had news that helped, right? We talked about it on the Discord. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin lost dominance yesterday. Look at that, man. Look at that insane loss of dominance. 3.17%. Look at that, man. Went up, went down, right? And pulled back up. Today, opening up, right? We're gaining 4.23%. You gapped up and pulling back down. That's okay. Sitting at 62.21% market cap. I want Bitcoin to go lower. It usually does better. I mean, right now we've been gaining, and that's why Bitcoin has been going up. But a lot of money flew into Bitcoin because the news that PayPal was you're gonna be able to buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and I think it's Bitcoin Cash with your PayPal, right? You're able to buy it and hold it, but you're not able to withdraw it, send it to someone else, or do anything else with it, or transact with it. You're only able to sell it and buy it. So that's some restrictions there right now. I mean, they might open the gates later on, but right now at least it's just buy and hold. So if you want to start getting into that through PayPal, you can, which I think is okay. It's cool, right? We'll see how they keep on growing with that. Anyways, On that note, what is happening with Bitcoin? The price at $12,851.59. What? We're $1,000 higher than we were yesterday. Yes, we are, man, almost. So what's happening here, right? Look, we open here at 11,928. We're like going up on this area. I said, look, we're gonna get here. We'll find rejection. If we manage to get through, you know, it's gonna be an easy run up to the 13,000, right? So I even said that on the Discord today. There's no resistance. There's no friction. And that translates into getting to that target really quickly and then testing for resistance, right? Which is what we're seeing right now. On that note, sorry, I forgot to do something here. Pre-stream, so I gotta do it real quick here. Just bear with me one quick second as I get through these. There we go, man. I forgot to say we were live. That's what happened. There we go. Do it. Right. Anyways, it's all good there. What is happening, right? So we're going higher. That's great, man. Where do we hit? 50% retrace, right? 50% line of our equidistant channel. We hit that one yesterday, right? We rejected, open at support, pump up. That's great. Hitting that area, pulling back down. That's okay. We still have 13,196.57 to go. All right, so that's our current target. There's not a lot of resistance back here, right? As you can tell. So I was looking through these earlier. I think I might have seen something up here, right? Like, look, right where we're at, way back here. Look at that wick, right? That green wick from here, from July 2019, right? That's where we're at right now. We did get pulled back slightly higher, right? We didn't quite touch 13,857. We didn't. We barely got above 13,196. Which again, you see that wick slightly higher. I'll just put a line here, see if we hit that area. Right there, right? Look, I had it below because we had targets farther back to that area. But if we go here now, to today, you notice that we're still below that slightly higher line I just placed, right? So that's not being a resistance right now. We just hit the 50% of the equidistant channel. Pulling back down, we also hit 13,196 and we pull back down. Now, do we have something bearish here? Not really. We don't. High, 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 positive, positive, high on their side to hard point. Everything that we were looking for, we lost, right? So we got rid of this, we got rid of this, let's get rid of this as well. Now, everything that we had, we got rid of. That's great, man. Going extremely high here, right? So overbought at 79.84 on the RSI. Impulse up, gotta consolidate. So you gotta wait for consolidation to happen. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, this is from the 1 hour. Really, man. Did I forget to anchor this here yesterday? I think I might have, because I have a lot of lines that just make no sense where they're at. Now, this one was resistance there. This one is from earlier on today, I guess, or even yesterday. Maybe? I'm not sure. I have lines here that make no sense, man. We'll make sense of them whenever we go to the 1 hour chart, right? But we'll figure out what we had here. Look, we're coming higher. I was worried about bearish divergence, right? Which we did have. As you can tell, we definitely won't end up going much higher than the previous low, right? So from here to here. On that note, we got rid of that divergence that we were looking for. So no longer have divergence. Managed to get above that 25% retrace, right? You see that support, bounce, hit 12,354. Rejected, open right there, support, and pump back up. That's good, man. That's a good, solid move, some Bitcoin. Now, something that I forgot to say on the daily, and I like, it's the way it's been going up to the 12,000s this time, right? Like the first time that we went up to 12,000s, back in February, right? Look at this. It was an insane movement to the upside, right? We didn't have a lot of stuff happening here in these areas. But now, look at this, right? It looks a little bit more structured, right? Like we rose, we recovered, we rose, we recovered, we failed, we're recovering again, right? So it looks a little bit more structured. It looks more sound. It's not like an insane movement up that could come crashing down quickly. We're going to have a lot of support on the way down, right? Or we should be having a lot of support on the way down. Whenever we move down, right? Not right now, but anyways, we end up going up here, hitting that area and rejecting. At some point in time, we came up to 13,000. We rejected there. It's a psychological resistance. We hit it twice, I think, before we actually broke it. And that's fine, actually. I have no problems with that. Now, here we're still coming in higher, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, right? So we got rid of this. We got rid of this. So we no longer have any kind of bearish divergence going on here. Just neutral at 58.69 on the RSI. And whatever divergence we have is just very small, and it's just against the. And it's just gonna be here against the. The RSI, right? Like that. So bearish divergence, potential up and down. I mean, we got to consolidate, so of course I'm waiting for a flag to develop here. So on that note, overbought at 85.89. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. What's going on here? Again, we're looking for the bearish divergence, right? Do we have it? Yeah, we have it, but only against the RSI, right? Look, we had it here. That has been the same as if we would have gone to there. Then we moved down, right? And I call this one out on the Discord, for reals. So if you follow me on the Discord, you know that we don't lie. Where's the news from today? Right, there we go. Look, today, Bitcoin getting rid of bearish divergence on the daily 4 hour and only has hit on the 1 hour against the RSI. Retested 25. Support, then bounced and used it as support at 12,000, right? So what I've been saying to you guys, getting the price of 2019, which is good. I like those prices. So, what's happening here? Coming in higher still, right? Look at that. This is why we rejected this area, right? It's not that just that we got there and then we just, this is an area we rejected. Now, there was technicals. There was technicals there. Look at that. Going higher on the price from positive to less positive. So creating strong bearish divergence against the MACD and against the RSI, right? Look at that. That we're going to be moving down, hitting back to neutral, sitting at 59.85. So neutral, yeah, on the RSI. That's okay. Now, this is red. I had it earlier, right? I deleted it so I could send the chart on the Discord, and I just placed it back so we could see it. But this ended up not playing out, right? We ended up going higher. Now, we were starting to develop this positive momentum island here as we were live at 9 p.m., and that's okay. Now, that's what we keep on tracking to see how they keep on growing. So on that note, again, bearish divergence, moved down slightly, took that bounce, pulling back down, right? On the daily and the 4 hour, it just looked like we're starting to consolidate. Gotta wait for that to happen. On the daily, we're definitely just gonna start to consolidate. So on the 4 hour, you know, looks like we're reversed. We'll see what happens here. All right, I'll be expecting maybe a retest of 13,193. I'll actually even set up an alert there. Right there. Oh, dude. Nope, I don't want to do that. There we go. Very close, like $2 higher. But that's good enough. If the alert ticks, triggers as we were doing the stream, it means Bitcoin got above that area. Right now, moving to the 20 would be okay. Trying to find support, right? We went extremely high, extremely quick on the 1 hour. So that comes with pullback. Negative momentum starting to build. Are we doing something? Yeah, we're starting to build hidden bullish. I don't like it. I'll tell you why. Because hidden bullish can drop a lot, right? We could drop to 12,300. We can even drop to 12,220. We could even drop back here to 11,000, maybe. Or slightly higher than 11,928. And still have that hidden bullish divergence, right? So long as we make more negative momentum, that's the only thing I don't like about these hidden divergences. What I do like, though, is that we also have it against the RSI, and there's that chance where we could be trying to go for that second bounce, right? The one I was telling you guys about. And that bounce could potentially get us to go slightly higher. All right, that's good. All right, coming in higher here. Maybe create more bearish divergence to New Island, then drop from there, right? Wow, one of my birds is going insane. Anyways, on that note, that is it for Bitcoin. Let's move on to Ethereum. Again, Ethereum also moved very nicely yesterday. Ethereum yesterday gaining 6.21%. Today going up 0.86%. Again, very nice moves. Ethereum daily, though. Check this out. Check this out, man. The daily Ethereum. What is going on with the daily Ethereum? All right, there we go. Look at that. We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. We have strong bearish divergence starting to develop. Just gotta be watchful for this, right? Ethereum hasn't recovered as nice as Bitcoin lately, right? I mean, it did go higher than Bitcoin before, right? So when we're talking about September the 1st, Bitcoin hadn't recovered that high. But Ethereum then pulled back down, and now Bitcoin, let's say it's recovering to that level. equivalent level, let's say. But again, Ethereum still doing prices of 2019, right? Look at this. Even 2018, maybe even. Look at that. August 2018. So it has recovered much better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just hitting price of 2019. Ethereum prices of 2018. So, you know, recovery's been better, or kind of, for Ethereum, which is good. That's why I'm not worried about Ethereum not going higher than the previous high. In bearish divergence, bought at 61.25 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, high, positive, or positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. Nothing here that I can call bearish. Just short term, right? No, not even short term. This is 67, this is 68, still going higher on that RSI. And went flying, awesome. It's an acrobatic pen. Anyways, look at that, beautiful movement down yesterday. Right at 3 in the morning, hit 376.58. Took that bounce. Also the 20, right? We don't bounce. Great stuff. Or we bought at 60. It's just bought. Sorry, at 68.15. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Higher, right? More positive. Lower, more negative. Lower, right? We didn't have anything here. Again, found that awesome support here. Start bouncing that. Now just short term here on the 1-hour, right? Look, ma, no hands. Look at this. Look at these guys. Right, we're starting to create a strong bearish divergence for potential movement down. We didn't move down, wicked, try to bounce. But again, we could still come to 20. We didn't quite touch it here. Moving from overbought to neutral at 58.73 on the RSI. So we're just waiting for the next move to happen. On that note, let's go check out XRP. What's happening with XRP, man? XRP at 25 cents, 25.53 cents. It hasn't even recovered to its previous high of August, which was at 31 cents. It has not recovered to February prices. Definitely has not recovered to June and July prices of 2019. You know what the weirdest thing is? Someone actually censored me on Twitter for pointing this out, right? One of the Twitter community members, or the XRP community, which I don't know why they're calling themselves a community, where they're not allowing a free flow of information and having different ways to look at things, right? That really takes me off a little bit. But you know, someone on the XRP community ended up trying to, like, you know, how do we say this? He just basically blocked one of my replies, which I think is very weak. I just think that's childish. And to me, that's less if you wanted to fool someone. But, you know, I'm not sure how to say this, man. But yeah, it just seemed that you'd just be trying to fool someone, right? So I did say that to him. Look, I said, shame that we complain about Twitter pushing agendas and YouTube censoring videos when we're the ones that censor one another when we state the facts, right? Shame at person. I really respected you and believe you were better than that. Why? Well, I'll tell you in a second, dude. Let me just find a tweet that got stopped. I'm not even sure if I want you all to see it, man. It's not showing, see? He says he called it, and my reply is not going to show, right? This reply was hidden by the original tweet author. Right, and this was one of the posts that I made, right? Like, and I said, bro, you censored my tweet. There was nothing wrong with it. They're just stating the facts. My facts were this. I like XRP, but it just seems stuck at 25 cents. Bitcoin is revisiting prices of July 2019. XRP has not even recovered to at least February 2020 highs. Something's up with XRP. Also, XRP is not being included in the PayPal news, which, you know, is the article from I just posted the article from CoinDesk where you know, we said that Bitcoin PayPal was including support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, right? So this guy went off and censored my tweet because he didn't like the fact that I was saying that, look, XRP is stuck at 25 cents. Something's off, right? Bitcoin is going higher. XRP is just not really going there because on his tweet, on his weak-ass tweet, we're going to call it that, he went off to say, Bitcoin about to retest 12K and alt's going to rip. HODL XRP Called it. Dude, you called that XRP was going to go higher. It's just going to the 25 cents again that it probably was on October 19th or whenever he, called that. So, whatever, man. He's not being accurate, and he just wants to look as though he's being accurate, and he's just being a weak-ass baby. Shame on that guy for, blocking to hits, and just so he can push his agenda. Right? Anyways, XRP, trying to recover, but not doing much. Again, nothing bullish happening here. Nothing bearish happening here either. Just neutral at 58.12 on the air side. Again, at 25 cents, 25.56 cents. Yesterday, just managed to gain 3.22%, right? That was all XRP gain for the third biggest crypto in the market, right? I mean, it just managed to go 3% when Ethereum went up 7%. Bitcoin was going out at some point in time, like even 10%. It's just like XRP again. It just fell to perform horribly. And one of the reasons why I'm really looking to just find a good exit here. So I can put my money somewhere else. All I've done with XRP is just invest it. My money has not done anything. So I'm not winning any value. I'm not, when I exit, I'm probably not going to lose any value. But that's all it's done, right? If I would have put my money on something else, even Bitcoin, I would have been much better off than by putting it onto XRP, and that is a fact. Now, I'm not against XRP. I do believe that what they're doing has a use case, but it's just not working out. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Coming lower, higher again. Bearish divergence, moved down. Found support at the 20, took it up. We're going higher here. Let's see, 110, 109, slightly less still, but still building though. Let's just go here on the 4-hour, right? So from high point, positive momentum to less positive momentum. Here coming in higher again, creating a strong bearish divergence. If this manages to go up slightly, we would be creating weak bearish divergence, and with that we would be looking for still potential action to the downside. So long as it goes to 110, right? If it goes above 110, then we no longer have anything, and we'll be good. Bought at 66.56 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1 hour, higher, 75, 72. One island to the next. Oh snap! What are we doing, XRP? Creating bearish divergence, man. Look from here to here, from here to here. Slightly lower, right? Look at this. 75, 72. Coming lower. Coming lower. Bearish divergence in XRP. Now what are we doing shorter term? Look, we're still coming higher. Hello. And then we're still coming lower. So again, strong bearish divergence. There is a chance that we might move down on XRP. At least to 20 at 25.14 cents. We'll see. Jake, oh, did you see my new NFTs? The butterfly effect ones. Someone want my Bitcoin space whale, so you minted more. That's awesome, bro. Dude, I didn't know that. That's so cool. I seen some of the ones that you posted of the butterfly effect. Those were cool, or at least the ones I saw were cool. I'm not sure how many more you minted though, or how many more you posted. I don't think any of my NFTs have sold lately. I haven't even checked, but I doubt it. So it's okay. Lower, right? Anyways, neutral. At 63.12 on the other side. That's it, dude. Not a lot happening with XRP bearish divergence. Let's see if this is going to play out. Maybe move us to 20. Here we hit a 20, took a bounce. That's great, right? That's about it. Just those two. One each. Awesome, bro. How much were you selling them for, Jake? I'm going to go to Litecoin. Maybe I need to reassess my analysis for how I'm doing this right. Litecoin on the daily, look at this. Coming in higher here. Going lower, right? Boom, boom. Don't have that on there, so that's fine. Bearish divergence against the MACD, potential movement down. Bought at 67.34 on there. So let's go to the 4 hour here. New ones 0.08 Ethereum. Old ones 0.03 to 0.05. Right on, that's a good target price. I just think I even placed stuff cheaper. But it's really not, taking off for some reason. It's weird. Let me use something here. But are the new ones that you're minting, Jake, are they second edition or are they just originals also? Just only mint if you really want to, or do what I do and mint when you sell. Yeah, dude, I minted when I sold 3 of my Break the Glass. But other than that, I have not been minting consistently. All right. So I'm waiting for something to sell. Look, I have still 29 out of this ones that I put for 0.1, right? So it's very cheap, dude. And then this one's for 0.1 also. 0.42 is Bitcoin Coffee. And the Comedian, this one is a joke though, right? And then this one, like, only sold 3. This one I just have 99 still left. This one I have 100 left. This one I sent you 1. And this one I sent 1 to Pransky, so they have not sold. That's fine. They'll just sell whenever, right? Anyways, let's keep on going here. Litecoin on the 4-hour. Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Nothing bearish here, so that's fine. Overbought at 75.88. Last thing we had was this bullish divergence right at 11, right before we started to take off yesterday. And that's great, man. Went up, consolidated, went up. Not sure yet how we're consolidating here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Look, bullish divergence yesterday, right? Pumped. That's great. We're here live here at 9. Higher. Higher. Right, consolidation. Not looking too tight here, or good even. It just looks as though we're going higher here. Right? And definitely coming lower here. Look at that. Strong bearish divergence, right? For action to the downside. Neutral at, a bought at 67.08. So it could still come down maybe to that 20. That 20 being at 52.07. Right now, Litecoin at $54.32. Also managed to gain. Very nice. Right? 13% yesterday. So again, much more than Ethereum. Benefited a lot from those news, right? Yo, Pest, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. That's awesome, Jake. That's great, man. Glad that you sold some of the NFTs, bro. For reals. Dude, it's really cool, dude. I hope you get to mint more NFTs of like different types of art, because I've seen some of the stuff you're making is really cool. Particularly like your PC generated art. That's pretty cool. What is happening with Binance? Again, bearish divergence moved down, bullish divergence trying to go up above the 20 still. Nothing happening here on daily. Neutral at 56.73 on the RSI. Yesterday didn't manage to gain much, just 3.20%. That's fine. What's happening on the 4-hour? Bullish divergence went up, got above the 20. That's fine. Trying to find support there and pump higher. That's great. Nothing off. Do we have positive here? Yeah, positive to lower, right? So from here to here. Let's go to the 4-hour here. That's it, right? Like, we're from 0 to something, right? And then from high to low. So we just have that hidden bearish against the MACD. That's fine. Neutral at 53.35 on the RSI. If we move down again, which we did, we're finding support at the 20. So we'll see how we go from there. What's happening on the 1-hour chart? Bearish divergence, bullish divergence, went up, hit that 20, rejected, came lower again. We talked about this yesterday. Finding support and taking a bounce. That's great. Now, are we doing something here? Yes. Look. Going higher from here to here. Right, that would be one move. And then even higher still. From here to here. Now, what's going on here? Boom, boom, right? That's one move. Then from here to here. So bearish divergence, strong against the MACD twice. And then here just against the RSI once on the last part. So bearish divergence, potential movement to downside. We're moving down, hitting that 20. Looks like we want to find support there. We hit that 20 bounce. And that's okay. I'm okay with that. Sitting at $30.06. That's the current price of Binance. On that note, I'm gonna go check out DVT, man. Pest, who's here? Awesome, dude. I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure who's on Twitch or on Discord. I know Jake's on YouTube, but you know that's about it. Thank you, Pest, for being on Periscope and on our YouTube and Twitch. That's awesome, dude. So let's check it out here on the DVT here on Self Exchange. Let's get some indicators for DVT. While I do that, I'll let you guys know that I'm part of their DAO, as you guys know, right? So I'm part of DVT marketing DAO, which is pretty cool. And I just gotta disclose that up front. And that's not the reason I'm analyzing the coin, though. The reason that I'm analyzing the coin is because I'm holding stake in it since before. So I've been doing this since I think ends of May, beginning of June. I've been analyzing it daily because you know I'm holding a lot. I put some dough in this, so I you know I obviously want to see how my money's gonna do. So again, the fact that I talk about it does not mean I'm chilling the project or pushing the project upon you. You can do your own research if you like it. You can get into it. You know, website devault.cc. You can join them on the Discord as well if you want to chat with them. I'm pretty sure Jake could do me a solid and post those links out there for y'all. The website and the Discord, so that's pretty cool. King Nail! Yo, Jake, I'm jumping chats. Haha. The pestle. And what? Yo, but King Nail, it's looking for Jake. That's awesome. King Nail retracted messages. But they're still here, man. They're still here, King Nail. They've been here. And Pest is here also on YouTube. They were following me on like different platforms, dude. That's so cool. That's what we're doing here. Coming lower, right? Negative. So we're starting to make some strong bullish divergence here. That move from here to here, right? And then from here to here. That means we should be getting about a pop soonish. We don't have that against the RSI. That's fine. Just sitting sold at 32.12. So we should be doing a U-turn. You're trying to go higher on this bullish divergence that we just created. That's the only thing I have here on the 1 hour, though. Let's go to the 4 hour chart and see what we get there. Right, look at this. Here we're making type 2 or medium bullish divergence. We're just coming sideways in the price, right? And we're coming from a negative momentum to less negative momentum in a lower point on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. So we have strong bullish on the 1 hour against the MACD, and then we have medium bullish against the MACD and the RSI on the 4 hour. So that's pretty good indicators of a potential movement to the upside. On this note, let's go check out the 1 hour, the daily chart, and we'll see where we're at. Look, what do we had here previously, right? Because that's the only things we called here previously. From here to here, and then from here to here, right? So here to here. Strong bullish, right? Taking the bounce, moving down. If we felt to drop lower than here, right? Whatever this low was, 32, 3.2 sats. If we felt to go lower than that, we're gonna interpret this as being bullish, and we're probably gonna take a bounce there. So that's gonna be pretty cool. This project again has a lot of potential. If you remember what we talked about in GravyX, it has had on GravyX. It has seen some violent moves, and I like that. Right? Look, this is a 1 hour. I'm pretty sure it hasn't reloaded, or maybe it has reloaded. It's just going flat lately. But yesterday, on the 20th, it went all the way to like 7,000 guays or whatever the fridge we're talking about here on Ethereum. And then a couple days ago, right? Oh man, I lost it. What did I do? Did I zoom out too much? Was that what I just did? Let's refresh this. Again, GravyX charts not working the best for me, so you know, well, we'll do what we can with what we have here for DVT, right? Again, let me zoom out. Look at this, right? Went up to like 400,000 ways, dude. Or you know, I'm not sure how many zeros we have, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got one more. So it went up to like 40,000 ways. That's pretty cool. Then it went up to 17,000 ways, and now it went up to 1,400 ways. Or yeah, 1,400 ways. Or 7,000 ways here. Look at that, right? So again, very very good moves on GravyX for DVT. Again, you guys can make money on this project, dude, for reals. You just go on South Exchange and trade these small moves, you're gonna be doing good, right? Look at this from here to here. Right, that was a small pop. 75% gains in a couple days. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, right? What a week. No other crypto project gives you that right now. So again, small projects are the best for short-term investment. On that note, I'm gonna go check out RSR and see what's happening there. I'm not sure, Steve, dude. I hope you're doing better. I know yesterday you said you were like super tired, so haven't seen you today, but I hope you're doing good. Yeah. RSR, it did go to 15 cents again. Awesome, dude. It's hitting targets for me. We're rejecting 15.18. We're right now at 14.92. That's good. Pull back down below the 236, getting back above it, which is okay. Let's check it out here. Look, 236, right? Where are my targets? Well, my targets first is at the 382, then the 50%, then the 628. If it gets up here, might be taking profits, or sorry, taking stop loss there. So I got it up here, and I'm taking a massive bidding on this project. At least I won't sacrifice that much to here. Might let it run up to here. So I'll see how it goes by the time we're getting to 618. If we have strong bearish divergence, I might just leave this on the 1 hour. On the daily, though, we don't have much. Let's see, 738, 76. So 73, 76, slightly higher here. Those are coming higher and higher, so nothing bearish. Let's go on the 4 hour. Look, we created this bullish divergence, right? That's awesome, dude. Ain't it cool when we create cool stuff like bullish divergence? Strong bullish divergence for price action to the upside, right? Look at that, boom, massive, great move, man, great move. High, 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 positive, positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Even from back here, I think 75.79 and 75.52, slightly lower, right? I'll give you that right now, but I'll just anchor this one here. We might get rid of it really quickly if we just manage to go slightly higher, which will be really good for this project. But that's gonna be it here, man. Again, right, like that. So bearish divergence, strong right now there against the RSI. And then short time scale, right? Yesterday, a couple days ago. Look, moving down still. Just make this yellow. Against the MACD, right? Strong bullish. We didn't have it against the RSI, and that's fine. Come on, dude. Work with me. There we go. And actually to the upside, look, we get that very nice move. Getting over the 20, finding support, taking that bounce, right? Got above that 382. Finding support, trying to break above 15. Since this one I just traced recently, we didn't have this one. And how I found it is that I found this spike that we rejected, and then I went to see if there was anything else back there that could have, worked as resistance or support. I think that here we rejected, here we reject that area, right? Here we rejected that area. Here we rejected on the most immediate candle, that would have been the next one. Right, look, and then here we found support right at that white line, support. Right? That's how I came up with that line for us to hold and see as a potential resistance. And it's the second time we hit it and reject right now, so we could say it's holding on perfectly. On that note, let's go check out ADA, dude, because why not? Cardano. Oh no, what's happening with Cardano? Again, not a lot of chat today, but thank you all for being here, guys. You guys are amazing. If you like what we do, hit that like button on that sub. ADA Cardano. Let's check that one out. What's it doing, man? Who knows what it's doing back there? Let's go to the daily. Cardano, man, insanely went to the upside today. It got a lot of pullback, though. It could have gained 21%, right, from opening till highest point, and then it pulled back down insanely. It just managed to gain 3.52%. That's great. It rejected the 382, which is fine. We're still heading up for that. Finding support here, right at the bottom part of the channel, which is good. In the 20, right? Close at 20, open at 20, try to move up or lower first and then up. High, low, positive is positive, right? Nothing happening here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour Cardano. What's going on here? Bullish divergence, right? We called that one out on the 20th. So action to the outside, we're getting that move up, which is good, above the 20. Again, great stuff. High, lower, high, positive is positive, high, lower side to lower point. Neutral 53.26, nothing else to call here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, dude, we didn't have anything. Did we create something? Yes, some hidden bearish. First thing we created. Look at that. Boom, boom, right? Again, this spike could be an anomaly in that just 1 hour candle at 11 p.m. yesterday. That would be about it, though, right? Let's check this out. Here we go, here we go. Is it going to be on the 1 hour? Yep, it is. All right, cool. We go from low to high. We don't have that against the RSI, that's fine. But hidden bearish, right? And then 507, 51, so we went slightly higher. Can I get to there? That's great. Hidden bearish, moving down, right? Finding that support again, hitting the 100% retrace line that we had, right? We have not been able to take off from that 100% retrace, right? That we had back here. We flirted with it slightly higher and lower, but you know, just moving more or less within that range. How do we know? It's just a line that comes through here, right? And as you can tell, we're slightly below it right now, but heading for that 20, trying to find support there. We'll see how things go for Cardano. Again, not super excited because it's not doing much. On that note, let's go check out what else y'all request here, dude. I can't remember. So much stuff that gets requested here. But again, there was no pre-stream requests. There was nothing such as those things on our Discord. So and there's no one requesting any projects. So if there's no requests, I'm just gonna keep on moving through whatever we have, right? So unless you guys want me to look at something in particular, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just start flowing through gold, silver, and the rest of stuff, right? The past, check ICX, FTM. All right, cool. ICX. ICX to the dollar. We'll go with this one. Why not? ICX, dude. We already looked at this before. That's awesome. I had a chart open. We haven't looked at it recently. But whenever we looked at this last, might have been around September the 24th. And that works. FTM's Phantom. That's awesome, dude. I'll check out Phantom after this. Or you want me to compare FTX to Phantom? I didn't get it, dude. But I do have Icon open before. So I'm looking at Icon to dollar right now. Link, Ren. Awesome, dude. Yeah, I'll check those out. That's for sure, man. ICX, FTM, Link, Ren. Sure. Awesome, we'll go with those right now. Okay, so ICX, what's happening with ICX? We're looking for bullish divergence. We did rally, hit that 20, rejected lower, right? That's fine. On that move, we came lower to here. That's great. Again, not a lot happening to there. Just gotta make sure this is on the daily. There we go. Go from here to here. From here to here, right? Creating that strong bullish divergence here on that second move. From here, slightly higher, right? So strong bullish. Getting that movement up, hitting the 20, above the 20, rejecting it on the next day, which is not the best thing. Are we moving lower? Slightly, I believe. Let's see, zoom in. Yeah, we're coming in slightly lower, right? So, you know, we're still coming lower here. We're going from negative to positive and low to high still. So strong bullish divergence still developing. And we've seen this happen with a couple projects where, you know, they're developing the strong bullish divergence. They're just really failing to take off, dude. I'm not sure why this is failing to take off. Yeah, dude, I can look at them. No worries, man. You know, that's what we're here for. We have moved up on that bullish divergence, hit the 20, we're rejecting it, going for the 20 again, but we're just really failing to take off. Now, are we hitting some kind of resistance here? We might have some resistance around this area. Look at this, right? If I were to do sort of a rectangle, which I'm just going to do really quick, because I'm not going to post a line right now. I'm not going to pinpoint it to accuracy. But if you look at that, right, where we've been bouncing, and if I increase this a little bit to that point, and then lower it to cover that, look, we have areas here where we hit that area consistently. Also here. And here, right? And here. So we could be within an area of support resistance for ICX. Which is okay, really. It's neutral right now at 45.14. I don't like the fact that we're failing to get above the 20. I do believe as soon as we get above the 20, we could be looking for some good takeoff. Right now we don't have it. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. That means volatility is leaving the market. And with that, we could be expecting a wild move. That's for ICX on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the daily, so we're looking at the daily. Look at this, some hidden bearish, right? Boom. Even here. We'll go by the steps. Step by step. Would I be ignoring something? We'll go here. I'm not going to use this one because there's an island here. But again, hidden bearish, moving down. Hit a 20 to get a bounce. That's awesome. And that bounce, what do we do when higher? Look at this. Strong bearish, right? So we move down. Low, higher, low, negative, more negative. So some hidden bullish. Great stuff, dude. We're finding stuff. That's good. That's what we're digging, right? We're digging for clues. Don't have it against RSI, that's fine. right? Just short term here, strong bullish. So from here to here, from here to here, right? So hidden bearish, then strong bullish also, right? Short term here. There we go. On that, we're looking for that potential action to the upside. We did get that rally happening. Then we moved down again, right? Did we reject on something? Yeah, we could say that we did on some hidden bearish. And I'm not doing pinpoint accuracy right now. I just want to show what we have. Hidden bearish, move farther down. Now creating strong bullish still. And getting that new rally happening, right? Like getting above the 20. Strong bullish. We don't have it against RSI. Now we're coming high, but we're still lower than the previous high, so that's good. We don't have anything bearish right now. We just have the strong bullish. Let's see if we can get this to play out. We don't have it against RSI. We're coming lower still. MACD could be getting a moving up on strong bullish divergence in the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, let's see this higher, right? Positive, and then it's just this short term is what's going to be killer here. Right here. Here to here, and then here to here as well, right? Bearish divergence. That's what we're looking for. Coming in lower. We had some strong bullish back here. That's what we pumped prior to that. Again, short term, we have that bearishness. It might not make the 4 hour bullish divergence play out and have movement to downside. We already hit the 20 taking a bounce, though. We don't have these on the RSI, right? So just short term on the 1 hour, we have bearish divergence for potential moving down. Hitting the 20, rejecting lower prices. We might retest the 20 again. The 4 hour has bullish divergence, but it's playing to the upside, but not going up too strong. And then the daily, I think we had strong bullish, but it just failed to perform. So the strong bearish that we're doing might not play too strong. You know, maybe retest at 20, try to find support and bounce. That's going to be about it for ICX, dude. Let's go check out FTM. I don't think we looked at FTM before. Yeah, this one's definitely new. Right, let's go to the daily. Let's check this out. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Right, that's good. So nothing bearish. Lower. I need to recheck this. 165. 161. Slightly less. That works for me. Don't have it against the RSI, so again, some bullish divergence here, strong. Took that rally, hit the 20, rejected, so we're coming in lower. Now this new move lower. Creating strong bullish divergence within the same island. Nothing against the RSI. Sold at 38.39. And could be one of the pivoting points for this, right? And probably why we could start maybe seeing that, that move coming to the upside. Because we do have this divergence developing, the strong bullish divergence. Maybe we could get a retest of that 20. By the way, I didn't call this, but it's sitting at 2.5 cents. Sorry, 2.3 cents. So we could be targeting 2.8 cents if we hit that 20 on FTM. Let's go check out the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, what's going on here? Coming in higher. Anchoring. And coming lower. Look at this, right? Boom. Bearish divergence. Move down, right? That's what we got. Moving down. Just going down since. Now I'm gonna look for anything bullish here. Anything bearish except for this one here that we have. It's very obvious. Don't have it against RSI, but that's okay. I'm not sure if we have it on the last one. I'll check later though. But right now I'm focusing on the bullish stuff, right? So look. Right here. Right here. Don't have it here. Actually, the upside hit that 20, created that hidden bearish, broke us down. Try to rally, rejected, coming lower. That's fine. Now, as we're coming in lower here, oh no, there we go. As we're coming lower, we're still creating that strong bullish divergence. We still don't have it against RSI, which is okay. Just have it against the MACD, trying to take off and failing now. Do we have something here? Let's see. Dude, what is this? 156. 165, so slightly more. Slightly higher. It's still coming in lower. Creating that hidden bearish. Potential movement down. Add resistance. Add the 20. And we're moving down on that. Right now we're trying to rally. Hit the 20 again. Reject it. So it's not looking too strong here for a phantom. So, one quick second. Just gonna make sure everything's here good. Yeah, it is. Great, man. Neutral 44.55 on the RSI. Let's go 1 hour chart. Look, lower, more native, lower, right? That's good. Now here, we're getting some hidden bearish. Hidden bearish divergence, yes. Do we have it here? 56, 56, 57, slightly higher. Hidden bearish. Action down. We hit support at the 20, took a bounce. That's great. Now we're going higher. What's it we're doing, man? On the higher move. Look at this. Alright. Coming in higher. Less positive momentum. Bearish divergence strong against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. Starting to move down. So we don't have anything bullish right now for this. I said what we showed in the other time scales. So look, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point. Now, low, high, negative, less negative, low, higher, right? So nothing bullish right now. Just this bearishness building up could bring us down. Careful with FTM. I'll just hold caution there. Let's go check out Link. We looked at Link before. We know what's up with that. Looked at Link because Jake was massively into Link, longs and shorts, and he made a lot of money. He made a lot of money on that. Link, here it is, dude. I couldn't find it. Let's go to the daily. Again, failing to really take off from that 50% retrace. We did get higher again. Starting open there today. Let's see how it's gonna go. Unsure yet. We lost some value 2 days ago, 9%. We gained 9% yesterday also. But right now we're trying to gain what we lost 2 days ago. Don't have anything bearish in the daily, so I'm not going to call anything here. Sorry. Since it's all bullish, there's not a lot going on. So just neutral. 52.76 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Oh, lower low. So the 105, 102. We have the strong bullish against the MACD, nothing against the RSI. Taking that bounce, right? That's what we're doing, that reversal. Getting above at 20, getting above at 236, which is okay. Neutral at 55.89. And not a lot building on here, right? That's about it, though. On that note, I'm going to go check out the 1 hour for Link. High, lower high. First things I'm looking at, right? Hidden bearish, potential movement down. 68, 69, alright, dude, we'll have it here. Hidden bearish, moving down, hitting that 20, right? That's the expected move, that's good. Now, lower low, native or native, low on the other side to lower point. Nothing going on here, really. Just on the MACD, very small bullish divergence here. It's just tiny, though. Look at that. Don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Strong bullish, actually the upside. That's probably what's popping us the upside, though. Not seeing anything else here. I'm starting to move down, hitting 20, support again. If we managed to find support here, we could try to go higher still, and that would be good. But until we get above here, I'm not sure we're going to see 11.56, and we know that's going to be a resistance zone up here. Just for Link, I'm going to go check out Ren. Ren and Stimpy. That's how I know we looked at Ren before. Ren. Where is the Ren? Ren to the dollar. Alright, so we had the hidden bearish. We're moving down on that. Found support at 236. That's great. Taking a bounce. Finding rejection at 3. What do we have here? 382. Yeah, 382. And 0.32 cents. Right now sitting at 0.328. So we're very, very close to that 382 area. Find opening right there and trying to move higher, and that's fine. Not a lot going on here, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to hard point neutral at 52.57. Yeah. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We're looking for bullish divergence here. We get it, hit the 20 a couple times, rejected, continuously hitting the 20 and rejecting until we broke lower, and that's fine. Coming in lower here. Let's just anchor this to 4-hour. Strong bullish. Nothing against the RSI though. Taking that bounce, which is good. Now, let's see this. Starting to create hidden bearish. Hidden bearish, probably why we moved down to hit the 20, trying to find support and try to go higher again, but that's what we have right now. Right from here. From here to here as well. It's potential movement down. We already hit the 20. Taking a bounce. We're going to see if we're going to take off from this area. If we fail and we break below 20, we could be aiming to go lower than this previous low. And we'll see. I mean, we do have the strong bullish trumping hidden bearish. We'll see if this manages to hold. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. We're looking for some bullish divergence here. We didn't get it, right? We dropped lower. Again, we said we just started to develop. We just got to track it. Just kept on dropping, and that's fine. So from here to here. From here to here. And from here to here, right? Strong bullish. Get that rally hitting the 20 and rejecting. Coming lower, more negative momentum, lower on the other side. Nothing bullish there. And taking a bounce though. Right, just like a couple of the other projects did, right? We maybe have something on the 4-hour, maybe in the daily. Taking a bounce on something that we called earlier. Higher, more positive, higher on the other side. That's great. So from here also coming higher. That's all good. Move down, hit the 20, take a bounce. Move down, hit the 20, take a bounce. Moving down, hitting the 20, trying to take off, trying to find support here also. At the 382, right? At 20, sorry, at 32.7 cents. We're almost at that zone again. 32.7, right? And change. So, that's what we're looking at. I'm not finding anything bearish right now or bullish on the shorter term. So we just could be consolidating here on the uptrend. And that will be my estimate. I mean, we do have this bullish again, taking that bounce. Like I said, on the 4-hour, we do have something. We don't have it here. This bounce comes from the 4-hour bullishness. And nothing going on right now short term, right? So the 1-hour is clear. Moving down, impulse up, flagging. Could go for another bounce. Maybe create that bearish divergence. That breaks us down. That's about it, though. All right. On that note, I'm going to go check out gold and silver real quick. I'll revisit Bitcoin first. See where it's at. Bitcoin at 12,811, dude. What do you think of the cloud? Ever use it? What cloud? I'm not sure, Pest. I'm not sure what cloud we're talking about. Fuck, I'm starting to yawn, dude. Dude, by the way, I made, yesterday, I made cold brew coffee. That was really good. Ishimoku clouds? I don't like them, dude. I know what it is. I seen them before, I used them before, I don't like them. I'm not going to be able to use it here, but there you go. Ishimoku cloud. Yeah, I don't like using it. A lot of people use it, and a lot of people like them. For me, I don't like it. Support and resistance define trend direction, gauges momentum, and provides trading signals. One look equilibrium chart. Dude, no. I don't like using it. I rather stick with the horizontals, divergences, fibs. For me, it tends to work a little bit better. So I like doing this. Bitcoin, like I said, moving down. Right, go for that 20 test. Right, that 20 at 12,686. Really want to get that bounce again here, 13K. Well, like I said, I'll set up an alert here because we go there. So let's go check out gold and silver. I just want to check out Bitcoin real quick. Gold hit all-time high, previous all-time high at 1,922, and we're rejecting that area. That's okay. We had the bullish divergence still at play here. We'll see how that comes into play later on. Silver got over that 161.8% retrace. Open there, moving higher today. Would come down, touch that area, rejecting it. So we want to look for higher prices. That's what it looks like. $24.83. Again, last we have hidden bullish. The Dow losing 98 points. Oh no, we had strong bearish divergence. Heading for a 20. The Dow Live losing 180 points. Breaking below 20. Again, last thing we had was the hidden bearish divergence. S&P down 7.56 points. Again, hidden bearish, moving down still. Might go for that 20. London down 194 points on bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish here. Did I call it strong or hidden? No, it's hidden here. Strong bearish here on London, moving down on that, rejecting the 20. Nikkei down, up 72 points, but still failing to go higher in the previous high. Last thing we have, bearish divergence, still waiting for that to play. Toronto down 43 points on hidden bearish divergence, below the 20. Oh no, we'll see how this keeps on going for the stocks. West Texas Oil, $39.49, bearish divergence we were calling for yesterday. Moving down that, right? We no longer have it. We had it when we were looking for it. That's probably why we broke down. Brent oil. Same stuff that we were looking for. Just we didn't have it here, right? Ran below 20. See how it goes for oil again. We find a lot of indecision in oil, right? Just trying to climb, failing, and right now consolidating near the $41 mark here. So not a lot going on besides that. Thank you for being here again. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. Yeah, those little things that are going to pop up on your screen. Anyways, I was telling you guys, I made some cold brew coffee that was super good, man. Just super, I had it super fine grind for the coffee machine that I use. It's really simple to do, man. I never thought about making it myself. And just grab coffee, put it in water, leave it overnight on the counter. That's it. There is a ratio though. If you wanna try, yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you. There's a ratio, and there's a time. If you want it regular, just to pour and drink, it's like 40 grams of coffee for 600 milliliters of water. But if you want to make it concentrate, which is what I did, and then you just dilute it with milk and ice and whatever you're gonna drink it with, it's 100 grams of ground coffee for 600 milliliters of water. So it's a 1-to-6 ratio. And it makes it super strong, dude. I let it soak for 12 hours. A little bit over 12 hours, maybe 14 hours. But I put it last night, and it was super fine grind. So it was like espresso grind almost. I just put in a old plastic bottle that I have, a liter plastic bottle. Put the coffee in, put the water in, start shaking it so you make sure it fits. Just let it sit there overnight. Open it up in the morning, filtered it, and it was super strong, dude. Like, I only had one. Like, I didn't measure it properly. And I pour myself like half of a cup of that concentrated coffee. I ended up switching that half cup onto like a larger vessel. And then adding a lot of milk, some more water, and ice. And I think I ended up drinking the equivalent of like 3 cups of coffee. Just how strong it was. But it was really good, man. I think I'm going to make it again. And what I liked about that... Hey, Spectre, how's it going, man? What I liked about that is that it's not acid, it's not bitter, so you get out of the bitterness notes and you get rid of the acidic notes. you just end up with this really nice cold brew coffee concentrate that you can even use, like, you can put hot milk on that if you want, or just cold milk. It was like super good, man. So I still have like a good size left from that batch. I think it's gonna last me for the next 3 days or so. So I'm just gonna put it in the fridge. But it was really, really good, man. I ended up filtering the rest of it today. So if you have a French press or something like that, I'm pretty sure it's easier to filter. I don't have a French press, so I had to put in my tea filter, and it's super fine. So it took a while for it to like filter completely, but it's really good. Yo, Spectre, how's it going, man? I was about to finish the stream, bro. But thank you for jumping in. I cover everything, so unless you want me to like go over something in particular, let me know. I'll just cover that and keep on moving. ACB 10% up, OLN 80% up. Awesome. Let's go check out ACB. We looked at that one yesterday. Your cannabis company. I'm not sure when we looked at this, but was it here? Did we look at this 2 days ago? I can't remember. There's even stuff here from the weekly. XRP? Right on, I'll look at XRP. I can't remember when we looked at this, but we had the bullish divergence. Talked about the move into a 20, we hit it, rejected a little bit. Today, going up 6%. At some point in time, it did go up slightly higher, so we might have looked at this post that date. I can't remember exactly when. So yeah, it looked like it might have gone around 8 to 10% today. Interday, right? So, that's fine. I just measured at 8.71 on a quick measure, but, it's fine. Getting above the 20, that's going to be good, man, if you sustain it, right? Like I said, it's been consistently been below that area. I'm not liking that. On the weekly, we had something else that we were looking for, right? Some bullish divergence still. That could be why we're trying to rally here, right? We're overbought. Bullish divergence. Those are signals for it to go up. But again, I'm not super confident in this, man. I mean, I could be wrong. Just, take it with a grain of salt. Like I said, man, you just got to compare this with the rest of the cannabis companies. I'm not sure if it's a thing that's particular to this asset or just, a global thing where all cannabis companies are having this problem. You closed at 10% gains? That's awesome, bro. OLN, I don't think we looked at... Oh, we looked at OLN. Yeah, here we go. OLN, I can't remember when we looked at OLN, but we had this triangle pattern, again, bullish divergence, moving to the upside, right? We had resistance at 1904. Taking that nice movement to the upside, again, after the breakout, pulling back down today. So, I'm not sure when you get in on OLN to get 80% gains, but let's see, from back here, maybe? To here? Right? That would seem about right. So if you get in here on the 24th, till today, you might have gotten your 83% gains or so. That could be good. Breaking this to the upside was going to be key. And we knew that, right? We talked about that. We have also this area, right, that we could have seen as support resistance. And as you can tell, look at this, man. We were within this area, then we opened up slightly above it. And we might have wicked it. It looks like we actually wicked it spot onto this spot. So, let's see what we have here. I'll just highlight it. So 1364, and here the low was 1363. So we wicked it to the spot that we marked, and then just took off from there. That's pretty good though. I can't remember when we looked at this. Maybe we were already doing that, and this was an area of support that we found. I can't remember, dude. Yo, Pest, thanks, man. Yeah, try the cold brew coffee, dude. It's really good. Still waiting for this pump to finish happening here on OLN. XRP, sure, let's go check out XRP, dude. Yeah, it didn't take off like the rest of crypto, right? Because it wasn't included in the package from PayPal. And I'm a little bit annoyed at some people in the XRP community on the fact that they're CCs and they don't like people telling the truth as it is. They just want to have their agenda pushed. I'll show you. I have facts for that. I have facts to prove that. One of the XRP community members deleted a comment. Look, show more replies. The reply was hidden by the original tweet author. So Wonka is censoring me for speaking the truth. What truth, you might ask? Well, I'll show you in a second. Look at this, right? XRP. He did that, and this guy had replied. So my reply was, I like XRP, but it just seems stuck at 25 cents. Bitcoin is revisiting price of July 2019. XRP has not recovered at least to February 2020 highs. Something is off with XRP. Also, XRP is not being included in the PayPal news. What were the PayPal news? They were including services to support Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So that's why those coins pumped up a lot and XRP failed to stay behind. Look, XRP has not recovered to February 2020 highs. What's that, Spectre? 200W? Ma? Just register on Bitstamp, pointing up. Oh, dude, I'm not sure what you're telling me. 200 weekly moving average? Alright, Discord. I'm on the Discord, man. Hit me with the news. 200 weekly moving average registered on Bitstamp, pointing up. Alright, so I think that's what you're telling me. Let's go check it out. I have the Bitstamp chart open here. Oh no, guess what? I do. I don't have the 200 moving average here. I do have in this other chart, which is over here. And we're going to check that out. Just give me 1 second for things to load here, right? $20% up on a week on ACV, by the way. That's pretty good. Right, I see your resistance lines. I see your movement lines here. Let me look at the XRP here, though. Weekly 200 moving average. Let's go to XRP here. Do I have it here on Bitstamp? Binance, Bitstamp, Kraken. I need to pull it up. XRP USD. On Bitstamp. Well, the 200s just started listing, so they're way up higher, right? So it doesn't have a lot of information here in Bitstamp, so they just appeared. Yeah, one of them is pointing up, the exponential one. The simple one's still pointing down slightly. So, we're about to get a good cross here, right? We're going to get the 20 crossing the 50. There's going to be a semi-golden cross that we're going to get, and that could bring price action to the upside. I agree with you. It is poised for something good. Never bringing this up. I haven't looked at the moving averages for this in the weekly or any time frame for XRP. But yeah, you're right. You are right. What did I do, man? I didn't want to do that. Close that. Close that. Abort. This cross could be good for XRP. Then getting the 50 over the 100 would definitely be better. Or the 50 over the 200, so. But yeah, you're right, dude. It could look good, right? I wonder if the other coins have something similar. Let's go check out Bitcoin, I guess. Bitcoin's, everything's higher than the previous one, so that's Bitcoin's in order on the weekly. Let's go on the daily, though. Also, I've got a lot of crosses, right? So that's probably why we're still going up. Green over yellow, yellow over orange, orange over red. That's great. Light blue. Oh, cool. We could have one of these here. Right? We do have the 100 exponential over the 50 exponential. So when this crosses over again, we could get another impulse coming out here. That could work for XRP, right? I guess. So, yeah, but I see what you're doing, what you're saying, right? Let me go back to XRP, though. I don't like the fact that it's underperforming heavily. And that I'm being censored for pointing that out. So, on the daily, high, low, nothing happening there. Let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence starting to develop here. I did say we're going to get rid of it quickly, and we might have. 110, 113, right? We no longer have it. Remember, I said that as we were charting this. I said, look, if we go slightly higher, I got to get rid of it. So nothing bearish right now. Besides strong bullish here. Hidden bearish. Still being trumped by strong bullish. And rallying. Finding support at 24.69 and going higher. So that's good. Let's go to the 1 hour. Look, I was looking for the bearish divergence here. We still have that one, right? We didn't get rid of this. So we might move down slightly here on XRP, start a flag or consolidate or do something before we get another rally coming in. Just the 1 hour has that bearish divergence. The rest is clear of bearish divergence, right? So that's what I'm seeing here in the short term. Yeah, well, Tesla gold, silver, you name it, gets suppressed regardless. Then it goes. Yeah. I was a little bit upset that, XRP is not included on the PayPal buying options. And someone did point out that, XRP is a transactionary currency. And I agree, but, my counter to that was, dude, PayPal has services worldwide. PayPal's not just in the US. There's PayPal in Mexico that works in pesos. There's PayPal in Canada that works in Canadian dollars. So there is a currency exchanged in PayPal that when you want to buy, because I've done it in Mexico and I want to pay with PayPal, it does give me the option for PayPal to convert that into either dollars or something else at a horrible exchange rate. So PayPal could benefit from use of XRP. They're just being, they probably don't like XRP. And that's why. It'll have to get included at some point in time in the package. So. Let's see your comment. Spectre saying, I know I play a lot on fundamentals, and XRP definitely has them. Yes, I agree with you. It has fundamentals. But like I told you guys earlier, man, I'm getting exhausted of just hodling this, man. And it failed to perform. I just could have put my money so many other places and getting better returns. And XRP is just like failing to perform consistently. Anyways, XRP on PayPal. PayPal will run an XRP. I'm not sure about those things. But what I was talking about was the news that came out for this. I'm not sure if you saw them or not earlier. I posted them on the Discord. I posted the link. But this is basically this article that says PayPal embraces crypto, igniting market as mainstream adoption inches closer. And what we know, PayPal said buy, sell, and hold features will be live within the next few weeks, but for some users, the features are already available. PayPal service does not allow Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies to be withdrawn or deposited. Once you buy the coins, they stay in your account until you sell. So basically, you buy and sell. We cannot transact with them. Initially, the service supports Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. This is the news that I said XRP is getting excluded off. This is a developing story. Stay tuned. There's nothing else that has come up, though. That's why I said, they're excluding XRP. And someone said something about that on the comment that I made on Twitter. And I said, look, XRP could be used by PayPal. They're just choosing not to do it right now. This is what I have against XRP, dude, right now, right? Look, this is February 2020. Highest we got was here in August. We didn't get to February 2020 prices. We didn't get to this high. All right, that's fine. What we've gotten here, we would at least be targeting July 2019 prices, right? Or June 2019 prices, which is back here. Compare this performance. Right, look, I don't want to get into an argument whether or not XRP has fundamentals. I agree it has fundamentals. That's why I'm hodling the project. But just the fact that it consistently underperforms is just really what gets me, right? Because I was expecting for this to go higher, right? It's just not taking off. It's failing to take off. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum. this high here, it already hit its September prices, but on September it was hitting already August 2018 prices, not even June 2019. It was hitting already 2018 prices. Right, so Ethereum is performing better than Bitcoin also, because if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is just managing to make recently July 2019 prices. We're not talking about January 2018 prices, which you could say that this went higher than Ethereum, and that could be a valid argument. If you look at Ethereum, it didn't go as high, so we could say they're more or less equivalent at where we're at, or where they're at, right? Bitcoin just managed to go slightly higher here, but Ethereum just looks like it has performed better short term than Bitcoin, and it's more accessible, right? If you look at this here in Bitcoin, we are hitting prices of back here, January 2018, right? As we're hitting these highs here of the 13,000, 12,800 levels. So, they've just been performing much better than XRP. And that's a fact. You can look at it in the charts, dude. Look here. For that to happen, XRP, when is January? It should be hitting $1.41. For it to be at the same price that it's, that Bitcoin is hitting and that Ethereum is hitting, all right? So they're hitting 2018 prices. It could at least be hitting February 2018 price at 96 cents. It's just not going there, man, right? I'm not seeing it go there. And that's just the point, dude, Send a link from a Twitter post on Discord. I get it. Things went up. XRP didn't. I've been in XRP a long time. Sent. You sent me something on the Discord. All right, I'll check it out. King Solomon, XRP Owl. All right, cool. I know who that is. This tweet says, what does it say, man? Please read it to us, mister. It reads, it's opening. New. Well, some were paying attention to PayPal's crypto commit. R3 and the International Swaps and Derivatives Association basically just confirmed that digital assets on Ledger will be used in derivatives transaction 650 trillion. Tokenizing bound. Brave New World. R3. Now, my thing here is with R3. This is a video from. Where's the link? Is there an article for this? I'm much rather see it on an article than on a link posted by video posted by someone. But so just by looking for this, I didn't find anything, right? Is it this one 2 weeks ago? No. I would need an article for me to look at this, man, and link it to something. But R3. I think R3 is not just running on XRP, right? They have other stuff. I'm not that familiar with R3. I haven't read things regarding R3 in a while. All I've heard is just rumors that they're also running other stuff. Corda, right? Yeah, but is Corda running on XRP still, or is it being used? Is it still using XRP to do its thing? I can't remember, dude. I can't remember if Corda it's doing its own thing, dude. To be fair, so XRP was just the first on-quarter seller, but they have other options, right? Does not mean that it has to run on XRP. It can run on other cryptos. So the fact that it's just being used, R3 is massive, yeah. But it could run on anything else, right? I think even XLM might be in there, dude. I can't remember, but it could run on XLM. Might not be XRP that runs, right? But the news are regarding Corda. Yeah, I know. Is it? We need the article that says, they're gonna use XRP. That's what's gonna make this pump, right? If it doesn't say XRP, it's just assumptions. People are assuming it's gonna be XRP, or XRP just needs a piece. Yeah, I agree. But look, a lot of people say, "Oh, XRP is just gonna be used so much that this price is gonna go up." You're talking about transactions that, for them to happen, you use XRP on one end, so you buy XRP, right? You're taking that from the market. Thus, the price of XRP is going to go up. Then you're going to send that XRP over, right? And that XRP needs to get sold to be converted into fiat again and taken out. So this exchange where you bought it, the price is going to go up. In the exchange where you sell it, you're just going to probably sell it at market, and then the price is going to go down, right? You're going to tank that market. So those exchanges are going to have opposite moves. Now, what that's going to give you is a chance for arbitrage, where if you're fast enough, you might be able to buy here low and sell here high on that move. Other than that, the bots are just going to equalize that again. It's never going to be insanely going higher on one end and then just taking off completely, because every transaction is going to get canceled out on the opposite side of the ledger, right? You have your credits and your debits, right? And the one is going to be ending up canceling the other one. So that's just the point that I have, dude. A lot of people think because it's going to get used, it just means it's going to go massively to the upside. That would mean that the companies are buying it and hodling it and not selling it, thus taking liquidity from the market and not putting it back in. Just the fact that you have to sell it again gets rid of that position, and you're basically selling it out in the market again, 100% of it, so you can take that money and give it to whoever it belongs. And thus you're negating the transaction that rose the price in the first place, right? So that's a thing that really... I don't get how it having so much usage is going to make it take off, right? We know that there's on-demand liquidity already happening on some corridors. Mexican peso to dollar, something with Brazil. But the fact that, XRP has to provide that liquidity of XRP to the market, and we see them buy and sell, right? Buy and sell. We haven't seen anything take off because of that, right? The price just keeps on going flatlining at 25 cents. It's just, dude, I get what you're saying, Spectre, dude. Trust me, I'm not against XRP. I like it. I hodl it. But I'm just not seeing that happening, right? And I have not found anyone to be able to explain to me that the transaction is not going to get undone on the other side, and thus the price is going to have to rise to meet that level here on this exchange. Yes, that you could probably take advantage of that exchange, where if you already had money in there, you know what exchange they're using, you can probably buy low XRP, and whenever it goes up on that transaction, you sell immediately. But on the opposite end, if you're on the receiving end, you're gonna be on the exchange where it gets sold. So you have to buy more lower for whenever it rises. You can take out your piece of the pie, right? And that's where you're gonna have your chances of making that money. But it's just gonna be on those small fluctuations that might be too quick for someone to take advantage of. We might get bots coming in here and just sniping those opportunities. I get it. It just needs a piece, but. It's just, I'm not sure how it's going to happen, bro. I've been seeing it, dude. ODL. Dude, we're running with the Mexican corridor, dude. That's great, man. The banks. Dude, we have signed so many banks. How many of them are using your XRP solution? Just a few, dude. Why? Because they care about the blockchain solution. They don't care about using XRP, the token, right? You don't think XRP is mentioned directly, just DLT? Yeah, I know, dude. That's DLT, but so many coins do DLT. And the point is that until someone says XRP clearly, it's just speculation, right? Anyone can say their coin is going to get used for that. That could be a catalyst for price action to the upside, right? On speculation. I'm not saying it isn't. I'm not sure, dude. I'm at a crossroad with XRP, man. I'm not sure if I want to keep on huddling the project, if I want to get out of it, if I want to keep on believing that they're going to go somewhere. You know, it's just, I'm not sure, dude. You know, I haven't given up on the project. It's just, you know, the fact that it's failing to perform consistently doesn't sit well with me at all. Because I had taken better opportunities in other projects and taken more profits. In XRP, dude, you know, I've been hodling for over 2 years. I'm just going to get out at the same price where I got in, maybe, and not lose anything. You going to hodl? That's fine. I'm not here to change your minds. I'm not here. Look, I'm still hodling. I haven't sold, so, but I'm just seriously considering getting out of it, dude. On the fact that, you know, it's just not really going anywhere. Right? I'm not going to get out today or anything. Thanks, Spectre Ben. Yeah, for sure, man. Hope you can get upset by my comments. You know, this is my way of viewing the XRP right now, and you know, I'm a little bit upset with the way they've been performing. So that's about it, though, right? Anyways, dude, thanks for being here for sure. And like I said, dude, yeah, I'm still holding on to that, right? Anyways, dudes, I guess on that note, I'm gonna finish the stream. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and following. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Like that bell and that sub. Again, this is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. I hope you had fun. I hope you found it educational, and if not educational, at least entertaining. If you like what we do, again, talk to crypto, to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. We really want to get this community going. Thank you all for being here. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.